So today's question is, in your business, what do you think is the biggest challenge to properly explain what you actually do and how you can help people to the various groups of sort of audiences that you work with, typically from solo entrepreneurs to teams to businesses to folks that provide services like lawyers or doctors?
I've realized that the big disconnect tends to be between solopreneurs, like a one-person business, or maybe someone that has a VA, and someone who has a team. Because the value of operations is easily felt by someone who has a team, because at that point you're paying thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars a month on services related to software and tech. Like, your tech stack is expensive. On the other side of things, when individuals tend to have, a solopreneur team, or if they have an assistant, they're like, yeah, I have tech, but I just keep track of my subscriptions. Why would I need somebody to help me manage all of that? Because that's just like line items on my balance sheet, right, that I'm paying. Actually, no. The difference is that you need someone to help thoughtfully have you build systems that are actually, number one, the best bang for your buck. You probably have a lot of redundant software you don't need. You tell me you don't pay for example, Google and Microsoft. You don't need both. You may have Make and Zapier. There's the list goes on and on. That being said, when you work with me as a solopreneurship, as a small team, we tend to build systems for you, the business owner, to work with, or for you to work with your VA. We also tend to build systems that could have things added on to them later. We build the foundational system, and then we can build extra things as you need them. The team side, on the other hand, where if you already have several members working with you, that's where I tend to come in as another member of your team. I'm managing the team that you already have. And so in that case, I'm letting you step out of the operations of the business, and I step in for you. So I serve as your right-hand person, which is what I did when I was COO of 4K Labs.